First in Tripura, Chief Commissioner Ranjit Kumar Roy, Lieutenant Governor A.L. Dias, Governor B.K. Nehru, First Council of Ministers 1963, Chief Minister Sachindra Lal Singh, Left Front Government 1978, Left Front Chief Minister Nipen Chakraborty, First Subdivision Gandachara, Rajya Sabha MP Arman Ali Munshi, Lok Sabha MP Dasharat Dev and Biren Datta, Speaker Upendra Kishore Roy, Deputy Speaker Arshad Ali Munshi, Political Agent W.B. Power, Women MP Bibu Kumari Devi, Women in State Assembly Bhashana Chakraborty, Tribal Chief Minister Dasharat Dev, College MBB College, Newspaper Arun, Magazine Robi.